Hindi dapat magpadalos-dalos ang administrasyon sa pagkansela sa Visiting Forces Agreement. Ayon kay Senator Laila de Lima, dapat pag-isipang mabuti ang pagkansela sa kasunduan lalo kung wala namang malinaw na alternatibo para dito. Giit ng senadora, hindi dapat masakripisyo ang kapakanan ng sambayan ng Pilipino maging ang soberenya ng bansa kagaya ng pagkakasakripisyo sa buhay ng ilang tao araw-araw dahil sa war on drugs. Matatandaan sa kanyang pagbabalik bansa galing sa pagbisita sa Cambodia at Singapore, sinabi ng Pangulo na pinag-iisipan nitong isantabi na ang VFA matapos kansilahin ng Millennium Challenge Corporation, isang independent US foreign aid agency, ang ayuda para sa Pilipinas dahil sa issue umano ng human rights violation. Binigyang diin ng Pangulo na walang dahilan para manatili pa sa bansa ang mga sundalong Amerikano lalo't hindi naman handa ang Pilipinas na makipaglaban sa China o Russia.
If we're a country that's very dangerous, if you think that there's crime there because we execute people, there are so many soldiers. They are the natural enemies of the Moroland. So why don't you just live and if you think that there is extrajudicial killing here, it's a prevalent one, it's a virulent practice, you know. So why are you here? What is your purpose in this Visiting Forces Agreement? Bye-bye, America, and work on the protocols that will eventually move you out from the Philippines.
Ikinagalit ng Pangulo ang tila pagtrato ng Amerika sa Pilipinas na patay gutom. Nanindigan din ang Pangulo na hindi kailangan ng bansa ang aid galing Amerika lalo't may ibang bansa namang handang tumulong sa Pilipinas.
China has the kindest soul wall. And I understand that we have been stricken out of the Millennium Challenge. Well, good. I welcome it. Actually, in exchange for the 400 million, you think that you can cure the 4 million rather? You know, China communicated to us. They're giving us 50 billion. So what do I need for America for? They do not look at us kindly. We have this huge problem, and you exacerbate by no, actually we do not need it. We can survive without American money.
Pero ayon sa presidente, maaari niyang irekonsidera ang kanyang posisyon depende sa magiging hakbang ng papasok na Trump administration sa Estados Unidos.
Because I have to take the cue from Trump, not from Obama. And because I have talked to Trump, and he was very nice, very courteous. I could not sense any hostile thrift or even the manner he was saying it. So, indifference, I'll just wait. I will let Obama fade away. And if he disappears, then I will begin to reassess.
Pero ayon sa Pangulo, kung siya ang tatanungin, wala na siyang balak na pumanig pa sa Amerika. Balak naman ng Pangulo na magpadala ng mga sundalo at pulis na magsasanay sa China. Victor Cosare, UNTV News and Rescue, Davao City.